Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we've got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and cancel order on Temu. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For the matter, you have to access a particular Temu app first, and you can do it from both your browser and your app itself. So once you're in this home section, what you're going to do, you're going to tap on this UI icon just given below, and now we'll find this option called your orders just right on top. Tap on it and you're going to find all of the orders listed over there, right? And then you're going to find the relevant order under all orders. Go ahead, tap on that particular order, which will give you this option of cancel. Go ahead, tap on this cancel option. Now it will provide you the instruction on the screen. You have to select a particular, which will be written as I want to cancel items. Go ahead, choose that one, and then afterwards click all if you would like to cancel all of the orders or not. Then especially choose a specific one and then tap on this submit. You will get a refund confirmation in your message inbox afterwards regarding the refund of your particular order that you would like to cancel. Then you're simply gonna go ahead, follow the prompts that it will provide, and you will be done. That is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.